So Rohan, we are searching for Khao Gali, and we came to know that it will be open after 4 o'clock. So it's quite a disappointment. So we have to search for some street food over here, or we have to visit some restaurant.
Any restaurant will do. We'll just have it and see how the food tastes, and if you like it, you can come too. You're invited. It's a bit disappointment because Khao Gali is supposed to be here and there will be foods everywhere, but only in the from 4 p.m. onwards. In the morning it's like desert, nothing.
So
Let's see if we can find. Let's see. We'll keep walking in the sun. It's hot over here. No drinks, but we'll keep walking.
an important point to be noted: if you are planning to visit Ghatkoppar's Khao Gali, so it should be in the evening.
Yes, in the evening.
Because in the morning you have to walk like this in sun, searching for juice, searching for some refreshment.
And to break any excitement for you, there is nothing over here till now. We are searching for like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I don't know. Where are we going now, buddy?
So buddy, I think we should move on from here and we should go to a station because here we can't find anything.
Apparently in Khao Gali in morning there is nothing.
So we are in Ghatkopar East, guys. So I don't know people in Ghatkopar East, how do they have their breakfast or brunch outside, because there is nothing here. We could see people having vada pav over there.
But that's a bit disappointment. Khao Gali famous for everything food. Have only vada pav in the morning. Only vada pav.
So this is what you can get in Ghatkopar East in the morning,
That's so sad. But
like
it's
at
okay.
12:30.
If you're in Ghatkopar in the morning, then make sure that if you want to eat and enjoy the food, then be around station, because there are many outlets in station. But far away there are less. You have to find, you may get lost.
See, as we could see, there are no outlets here. We are still walking,
Oh my god.
but we'll be definitely taking you somewhere.
So after a tiring walk, we reached this amazing place called Fat Theory. It's just 15-minute walk from Ghatkopar station and it's a pure veg restaurant. Beautiful place with beautiful ambience. They serve you water in these amazing colored bottles. It enhances the beauty of this place as well. Opens from 3 p.m. on weekdays and 1 p.m. on weekends and lasts till 12 midnight.
So what we have ordered, buddy?
We have already starters. There's cheese, garlic bread, herbal garlic bread. It sounds amazing. We don't know what it is, but I hope it's something good. And we have ordered something called Oriental Sizzling Tray. We have like noodles and some black pepper sauce. What do you think of that? It is spicy also.
So in that we have ordered black pepper. So I guess it will be spicy.
And it sounds delicious. And the third we have ordered is something unique, something out of the box. You know, a Pepsi can.
Yes. And let me tell you guys, it's a pure veg restaurant.
Yes, pure veg restaurant, no non-veg. So it's kind of good. It's kind of good. Many people prefer veg dishes. Prices are comparatively high for a veg restaurant, but if the taste is good, then it's a good bargain. We'll find out later.
Yes, that's right. There are many other things which you can order, like pizzas, pasta, dim sums, and all.
We will have a link to a photo of the menu card, so you can check this out also.
What's amazing which we found over here is the arrangement.
Yes. We have this huge sanitizer over here. If you can see this. Can you see this?
So this place is amazing. Let's see how the food tastes.
Yes, once we have a bite, we'll let you know. The ambience is very nice, so we can definitely pay for the ambience.
Right.
Totally chilling over here. Let's see how the food tastes. If it's good, then it's rocking or it's awesome. Let's see.
We have ordered this cheese garlic bread. So it looks amazing.
Okay, so along with the cheese garlic bread, we have our cans. Okay. And the main amazing thing, these are the spiral straw. Anything spirals makes me go crazy.
Yeah, so the food quantity is very nice. It looks filling and it's just for 150 bucks. And you could really enjoy the starters over here.
And some oregano.
I have some meeting tomorrow morning. I need to go there in the 9 to 3 or something. We meet once Lakshmi comes back. We meet once Lakshmi comes back.
This is very good actually, right? This can be rated 8 or 9 out of 10. This tastes really good. It's yummy.
The chili flakes which we added were really spicy, but then the cheese garlic bread, soft, chewy, and it melts in your mouth. It's like heaven. For me, I have had many cheese garlic breads, so I would rate it a 9. It's very good. So what we have over here is very awesome looking noodles. What we got over the noodles is on the sizzling hot tray, so it's very hot right now. And we have some veggies over here like potatoes, broccoli, beans, baby corn, carrot, onion, cabbage. Is a lot, buddy. It's lots of good things in it. And the best thing is the sauce which we have ordered is black pepper.
They give you extra sauce. So this is all basically veggies since we don't have non-veg here.
Okay, so let's not waste our time and let's dive into this.
Bit juicy.
And let me tell you, because of the veggies we have over here, the noodles has a very high flavor of vegetables. You can actually taste vegetables when tasting noodles. It's good. It's something different from which I expected, but it's good.
And I don't think it's that spicy. We have sauce over here.
Extra sauce.
If you want that spicy.
Yes, you can definitely opt for that. Not an issue.
It's really good that they are serving you the sauce.
So this is how they will give you bill in a beautifully crafted iron box with a mint chocolate to conclude your pleasing meal. Do visit this place to experience an amazing ambience and some good veg food.
Okay, we have just come up to Fat Tea restaurant. So people go over there, eat food and become fat.
Nobody. It is not fat. It is
So?
known as FAT. For F, we have food and taste theory.
Oh my
so
God.
it's an amazing concept.
That's an high level awesomeness for me.
After a tiring journey, after a tiring walk for around 1 hour, we reached this amazing place, which is Fat Theory.
As the name suggests, fat, food and taste theory. The food was amazing, the food was filling. Okay, it was definitely a taste. Okay, we'll just give our review, so we guys let you know. The first thing we had was cheese garlic bread.
That was the best thing which I had over there. And
Oh, yes.
it was just for 150 bucks and it was filling. It was loaded with cheese. Bread was soft. It was chewy. Everything was amazing.
Yes, I have to say this: the cheese garlic bread was the best thing. Compared to other cheese garlics I have had, this one tasted better for 150 rupees. So it was amazing.
So the next thing which we ordered was Oriental sizzling tray.
It could have been worth it like maybe 200-250 bucks. It was good food. The appearance of the dish, okay, the sizzling tray, it came in a hot pan, the veggies and the noodles and the sauce, everything was so beautiful and amazing.
And the way he served it was amazing.
Yeah, for that kudos. Now
Yeah.
coming to the taste.
For the first few bites, it was not that tasty. So the essence of the pepper came much later.
So for me, basically noodles was not the highlight. Noodles was okay. Okay, I'm having it, it's okay. But the veggies were really good.
So if you are looking out for a good heavy lunch or dinner, you can go for pasta.
But based on the two dishes we ordered, we can have a pretty much guesstimate. Okay, what would the whole look like? Definitely, I'll pay for the ambience, for the music playing in the background, the lightings, the way the food was served, brilliant. For that, I can pay.
Cheese garlic bread, I will rate 9 out of 10.
Wow. For me, we are on the same page now. I also give it a 9. It's superb. It's amazing. For the Oriental sizzling tray, for me it's like 7.5.
It was a disappointment.
It was indeed because of the price, and
Exactly.
noodles was not great.
So you all guys can visit this place. We are signing off. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment.
If you have watched this far, write in the comment, Deja vu is real.